Boom! Hey Bachamari, I hope you all are doing good. So Dance on Beat is back with yet another kids tutorial, and if you want to enjoy it, let's get started. Hey guys, so let's start with the choreography. Before we start with the choreography, I would like to mention a point. Don't just run behind the step to get it clear, to get it smooth. At the first thing what you have to do is you just listen to the song 2 to 3 times, so that what will happen is you'll get the fun, you'll get the feel of that song, you'll get the vibe of that particular song. Then you will enjoy the whole process which is ahead. Also the second point, or maybe the second exercise which I want you to do is bring out that rowdy version of yours. So what will happen is that energy, that vibe will come out automatically and you will enjoy the steps. Rather than just focusing on correcting the steps, you enjoy this whole process. That's what I want to say. So let's just quickly start with the So let's proceed ahead without much wasting your time. For the first step, what you're going to do is, which is called as the running man step, you have to lift your right leg up and place it at the front. With this, your left leg will slide back. Let's do it together. Let's do it all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Understood? Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? With this, we'll slightly increase the speed. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay? अभी increase थोड़ा और ज़्यादा you have to do it only twice. 1 and 2. Next step, what you are going to do is you are just twisting your hip. 1. With this, your hand will go 1. If you don't want to do this hand, you can do 1, 1, 1. Okay? 1. So we'll combine both the steps. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. We have to do it twice. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Again, 1 and 2 and 3. For the next step, what you're going to do is you're going at the front. I'll show you with the right leg. 1. You're bending your body little down. And 2. Okay? 1 and 2. अब इसके साथ your shoulder will go as 1 and 2. ठीक है? Your leg is going only once and your shoulder movement is like this. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. ठीक है? Afterwards, there is a pelvic hit. ठीक है? This is called as pelvic hit. 1, 2. Twice. You have to catch that beat. I'll show you on music, but you have to catch a beat. There are 2 beats which you have to catch. For the first step, what you're going to do is 1 and 2 and hit and hit. ठीक है? Second, you have to repeat it. 1 and 2 and change the side and hit and hit. ठीक है? यहाँ तक you clear? यहाँ तक you clear? अभी इसके बाद what you are going to do is you have finished till here. Now you have to wave at the right side, up, down. Just hit 1, 2. One is at the upper level, other one is at the lower level. 1 and 2. ठीक है? Now you have to wave back at the left side, hit, hit and hit. यहाँ तक clear? उसके बाद again you are waving at the right side, hit and hit. Join all together. 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Hey, 1 and 2. Hey, 1 and 2. Hey, 1 and 2. Then let's do this on music. Down, up. It is up to you. After this, there is one more count. Actually, there are two more counts. In this, you do some freestyling stuff. And afterwards, there is a step with more energy. So, what you are going to do is, going on your squat to give a jump, to give a push to your body. Hey, hey. With this, your hands will be like this. You have to pretend like your hands are pushing your body up. 1 like this. 1 1. Okay? You have to show your whole energy, guys. You have to bring your own energy. Just jump. Jump. Okay? Clear with this step? The next step which we are going to do is the lyrics for this one would be actually in this particular song I may face some problem with the lyrics. So we'll go count by count and we are practicing on music. So you can understand the lyrics because I don't know the lyrics probably. ठीक है? अभी यहाँ से you have finished 1. This is maybe hey, hey, then goli sodawe. For this you have to take a big wave. It starts from यहाँ से 1 and 2. ठीक है? You have to slightly bend down. So 1 and 2. यहाँ तक clear? इसके बाद what you are going to do is there is a step. I'll show you the step. 1 2. ठीक है? To understand this step, we are breaking it down. Don't worry. So you have to raise your right hand first. From this right hand, what you are going to do is you are pulling your left leg. ठीक है? Suppose there is a string attached. It over here. Here, guys. So what you can imagine is there is a string and you have to pull that string. So once you pull that string, your leg, your foot would twist. ठीक है? So for the right side, what you are going to do is pull. Similarly, for the left side, hey. ठीक है? So this is the step. So we'll do it 1 and 2. This is a very fast step. You have to go a little down so it will look good. Ha. This is a bit fast, so we'll practice it. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. ठीक है? You have to pull and pull and pull and pull steps. So we have started from hey. Goli sodawe hey. So hey and hey. Hey. Goli sodawe. ठीक है? We have came up till this position. From here, there is a slight jump onto the right side. Understood it now? यहाँ से we are at this position 1 and 2. There is a jump. With this, your hands will open. Okay? And once you come back, you have to give some posture to your hand. Okay? Some structure to your hand. So what you are doing is, you are doing it like this. Okay? 1 and 2. I did it wrong. 1 and 2. Okay? I don't know the lyrics. We'll do it on counts and later we'll do it on music. So from here, what you are going to do is you are going diagonally towards your right side. We are at this position. यहाँ से 1, 2. In this, your shoulders will be shimmy, shimmy. And your hands won't be like this. Your hands would be from here 1 and 2. Lyrics for this would be Kuchi Kopina. So give that facial expression also. 1 and 2. ठीक है? Shimmy shimmy effect should be there so that it will look थोड़ा good. ठीक है? Now you are here. Your body is already bent. So what you have to do is you have to take it back with a break. Lyrics are take me, take me. So in take me, what you are going to do is पहले left hand लो, then right hand, Place it here. Left hand behind that. And 1, 2. Come back, facing to the front. 1, 2. But keep your hands very tight. Keep your upper body very stiff and just give that break. Don't loosen up your body and do this. Just keep your body tight, your hands tight and give that break. Okay? By looking at the front. Take me. Now look at that side. Take me. Take me. Take me. Let's do it from Kuti Papina, then you will understand. 1. Kuti Papina. Take me. Take me. Take me. Take me. Give that break. Give that break. Okay, so we have finished till here. Now, for the next step, what you are going to do is, you are just switching your profile from right side diagonal to left side diagonal. So how? Jump. यहाँ से हमने क्या किया? Take me, head. If you are wearing any short, just do this. ठीक है? इसके बाद there is a beat to catch. In this beat, what you are going to do is hit. Again a pelvic hit. ठीक है? It's at the lyrics hey. So in hey, before hey you have to turn, and on hey you have to hit. ठीक है? Okay. So we have finished till here. The next step would be hit के बाद lyrics says silk sata, something like that. Silk sata or something like that. We'll go 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay. So you are here. After this, what you are going to do is, from here what you are going to do is, you are jumping on your left first. 1. Take your right till your hip, maybe that thing you have to do. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Understood? So we have finished till hip. Then 1 and 2 and stop. There are only 2 counts. After this, there is a favorite step, which is a basic freestyle. अभी यहाँ से what you are going to do is, you have to 1 2 3 4. You have to do this much only, going on squat. 1 and 2. Not literally a squat, you just bending down. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. With this, your hands would be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. With full feel, you have to do this step. Okay? I'm showing it again. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Beats will also go like this only. With this, okay. Yeah? With this speed only. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. You have to do it with feel. Even if you don't get the step, just do. Like this. ठीक है? अभी यहाँ तक it's clear. 1 2 3 4. So you are again facing to the diagonal, right side diagonal. From here, the lyrics would be sota, sota. With that sota, sota, you have to take bigger steps to go to this position. So you are here facing right side diagonal. So from here, you have to take 2 big steps. You have to take 2 big steps. So the hands would look like 1 2 1 2. Okay, 1 and 2. Sota, sota. Clear? यहाँ तक clear? वापस. एक बार वापस. Silk sata से. Finished here. Silk sata. Ta. 1 2. यहाँ तक clear है? इसके बाद यहीं से you are already down chop me, spin and jump. ठीक है? Back, straight, hands on your back, right hand is on your back, left hand facing you. Suppose there is a boy standing there. 1. Understood? Your hands are like this. 1. Look up straight. Do it from talk me, talk me. Talk me, talk me. Spin and straight. ठीक है? यहाँ तक we can do it on music. Whew. Let's try it on music from Goli Soda. what we are going to do is हमारे hands को ये ऐसे दिखाऊंगी. We are giving this posture to our hand. ठीक है? ऐसे. I will show you कैसे आएंगे. We are here. Look, support, sit, goal, stand, hand. समझ गया यहाँ तक? अभी यहाँ से knee slide, open, knee close. So your hands close. If you don't want to do that knee step, you do open, close, open. That would be enough. No need. अभी यहाँ से हाँ, है. ठीक है? अभी यहाँ से we have to get up. How we are getting up? Place your right leg or place your left leg, which is comfortable for you to get up. अब यहाँ से I have, let's say, place my right leg, and the lyrics are jiggary jigga. So you have to give that shimmy effect. Hey. ठीक है? Hey. अभी हम कहाँ थे? यहाँ से हमने क्या किया? 1 and 2 and if you don't want to do with knees, 1 and 2 and jiggary jigga. यहाँ तक समझ में आया तो हम और एक स्टेप कर लेते हैं, फिर उसके बाद म्यूजिक पे करेंगे. ठीक है? अभी इसके बाद we came up like this. अभी यहाँ से what we are going to do is lyrics are my dear Rani. अब my dear Rani में we have came here. You have to lift your right leg. Hey. With this, your left hand would be ha. My dear Rani. And your right hand should not go anywhere here with some other postures. So you have to place it at the back. 1 and 2 and 3. Okay? So this step is only once. Once you finish, jiggly jigga, hey. ठीक है? इसके बाद you have to place your right leg back and you have to kick. You have to kick with your right leg. So kick के time पे your hand will go cross. Kick, cross, jump. गया. If you don't want to do it, 1 and directly jump. If you can do it and if you want to learn it, then there is a kick. With this kick, there is a jump. Jump. Jump is on your क्या है left leg. ठीक है? 1, 2. नहीं हो रहा है तो my dear रानी 1. ठीक है? हो रहा है तो my dear रानी है. समझ में आ गया यहाँ तक? अभी we are at back. अभी यहाँ से one lyrics is there. I'll show you आगे से how we are going to do it. यहाँ से we are here. Now what you have to do is lyrics says, sorry with my lyrics, but Trimilvani, for Trimilvani what you are going to do is you have to put your weight at the left side. Hey, ऐसे ऐसे इस साइड से it will look like this. You have to look up. You have to look up. Trimilvani. उसके बाद lyrics says there are no lyrics, but there are 2 beats to catch. Music is going on continuously and there are 2 beats to catch on that. So for that what you are going to do is Trimilvani, hit. You are first lifting your left leg. Hey, 1, 2. You are lifting your left leg as 1, 2. If Trimilvani 1, 2 is getting tough for you, you have an alternative. Trimilvani cross open. So you have to just cross your legs and open. ठीक है? कहाँ से करें? यहाँ से करें? नीचे से. 1, 2. जिगरी जिगा. My dear Rani, hey. Trimilvani, hey. Alternative step. Jigiri jiga. My dear Rani, jump, hey. Trimilvani, cross, open. Clear? यहाँ तक. अभी यहाँ से 1, 2 किया. उसके बाद there is a roll with your hands. अभी इसको कैसे करना है? 1, 2. Take left 2 big steps. Take your right leg, left leg, and take 2 big steps to come into it. अभी यहाँ से 1, 2. खत्म. अभी क्या करें? 1, 2. इसके बाद पति की रिचा. Posture. Just brush it. 1, 2. पति की रिचा. Open your hands. Slide to the left. 1. Slide completely to the left. You are here brushing your both hands. Slide completely towards your left side. How are you going to slide? You are extending your left leg and sliding your right leg. एक बार open, slide के टाइम पे bring your right leg back. अभी यहाँ से we have finished till here. Okay, let's do this method count so that you'll understand. कहाँ से? जिगरी जिगा. So for जिगरी जिगा, 1 जिगरी जिगा. Hey. 1, 2, 3. Cross open. 1, 2. पति की रिचा. Open slide. Okay? यहाँ पे lyrics for this would be you are at this ra. ठीक है? रा पे we have finished. अभी रा के बाद what you are going to do is again you have to go little down. You are on your toes. Don't go literally down. You have to be on the ball of your foot so that you can come back easily. Ha. Give that bounce to your body. 1. So with this your hand will go as 1. Come back. 2. 1. 2. 1. 2. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. Clear? इसके बाद once you come up, you have to place your both the legs सामने and you have to do hand movements as 1, 2 and your thing in that particular step. For your reference, I can still give you a step. Rowdy baby. ठीक है? This is my step for your reference, but this you have to do it on your own. This I have kept only for you. इसके बाद again we have to switch back to the boys. अभी यहाँ से ra, he'll say ra. For ra you can do whatever you want. You my girlfriend, something like that he will say. So there are only on total there are only 4 counts. So you have to make a heart like this. You have to make a heart and you have to go 1 and 2 and look at me. 1 and 2 and with this your hands will go 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. ठीक है? यहाँ से हम क्या करेंगे? यहाँ से अभी we are facing at the right profile. यहाँ से we are facing at the right profile. From here what we'll do is open, slightly bend and 1 hit, hit and then jump, hit, jump, hit, jump, hit. So these are only the 2 steps. What we have done is 1 and 2 and jump and hit and jump and hit. समझे? I have finished till here. Now come at the center profile, bend down a bit, and first we'll do the legs. Legs would be 1, 2, 3, 4. Or we open, So whatever is comfortable for you, we open, or 1, 2, shift. So whatever is comfortable for you, you can do it. Open your hands, ta-ra, 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 ta. With that, your face should also say something. Ta-na-na-na, hey. So that is the end of our choreography. Okay, so we try this much on music. ये पूरा part we'll try this on music, and then we can try out the whole song on music.
ये करी कोलंबे वो कुटी पपीना take me
hey ये सिल्क सटा नी वेट कटा लव सोटा talk me
hey my dear मचा ई मन से वजा नम गोरे सिकला निज जिगरा
my dear रानी ये ड्रीम लवानी नम वन्ना सेरा फायर पत्ती की रुचा
नम बिची पको पोता मुल्ड पांग तेरे सानी मुडया लौडी बेबी
you're my only girlfriend I'll give you two we'll make us new friend baby.
So guys, that comes to an end of our choreography. So now we'll do the complete thing on music. If you have any suggestions, any comments, any song suggestions or any style suggestions, so whatever feedback you have, please mention that, and also like, share and subscribe to Dance and Beat guys. Thank you so much.
hey ये गोली सोडावे ये करी कोलंबे वो कुटी पपीना take me
hey ये सिल्क सटा नी वेट कटा लव सोटा talk me